Hello, can you hear me? Please connect to the audio. Please connect to the audio, beta. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Am I audible now? Unmute, beta. You're muted. Hello.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Now I can hear you. Since you were not connected to the audio, so I couldn't hear you.
You couldn't hear me now, ma'am?
Now I can, ma'am. Now you are audible.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Just give me your introduction. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm trying to connect through the laptop. Unfortunately, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Can you please sit in a place where your network is good? Ma'am, the voice
Ma'am,
is
give me
faint.
a few moments.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Let me give me 2 minutes. I will change the room to have a good network. Yeah.
Okay.
Network very good.
Yes, beta. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm 8 years old and I live in Dublin.
Okay, you're 8 years old and you live in
Dublin.
Dublin. Okay. And what are your hobbies? What do you love to do?
Um, I like playing. I like reading.
Okay.
I like art.
Okay. And I hope your name is Satvega, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today I would like to go with the demo session of one of the important topics, which is time. Okay. Now, can you tell me how time is important in our day-to-day life?
It's very important because you need to know the time.
You need?
You need to know the time because you need it. You need to know
Because why?
uh maybe because you have a job interview at 5 o'clock and you have to go to it. You can't
Yes,
be.
you need to be punctual for that, right?
Yes,
Unless and
ma'am.
until you don't know the time, you won't be doing the things in a disciplined manner, in a punctual way, right? So you
Yes, ma'am.
need the time to be punctual. And again, time is important for each and everything. Whether you go to school, whether you come back from your school, time is important everywhere, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, like, if I ask you, what do you mean by time? Then, what does it tell us?
What do I mean by
Yes, like, what does they tell you?
it tells you when you should do something and
Yeah,
like
basically, like if you have work, many work to do at a time, then they will be telling you in which sequence you should do it, right? The events that you should take place over here, like which event should take place in the morning, which event should take place in the afternoon, like that, correct? Now we see time in, where do we see time? You're getting stuck, Vita.
into calling me
Where,
to change rooms.
like, where do we see time? Satvika? Satvika? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have joined in another desktop. So it's showing that the host has another meeting in progress. So I will leave this one and you please let in another meeting.
Not in that meeting, ma'am. She has to join in this one only.
Yeah, we are joining through desktop. So since
Yeah. I have allowed, ma'am. Participants are allowed to join. I have not kept in waiting, ma'am.
so you are Sneha, correct?
Yes.
But it's not showing us letting in. The host has another meeting in progress. It's showing like that.
Are you joining the same link, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, the same link only. It has shown. It is showing that grade 3 by Sneha, ma'am.
Yeah, like I have disabled this waiting room, so you can join, ma'am. She must have joined in another link, ma'am.
No, we have joined the same link only.
Because the previous link or the meeting has not started, no? That one, we just changed the link over here. Like now, when you can join, then she can also join, no? This is the
Okay, let
same
me check that.
meeting.
Give me 2 minutes. Let me disconnect this.
Meeting is, yeah, because the meeting is already started. So she must have joined another meeting, ma'am.
Okay, 1 moment.
Yeah.
Wait 1 moment. I'll close from the lab. Can you see her now waiting in another room?
Ma'am, we don't have another room. That's what I'm saying.
No, 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 no. Sorry, the same room. Same room. She has joined via desktop.
Like you will not be in waiting. Yes, now see.
Yes, I think you can see now. Oh, now.
Yes. Because I have
Can
not
we
kept the waiting, no. That's what I'm saying. It is disabled.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for your patience. Sorry for that.
Thank you. It's okay. Yes, Satvika. So just tell me, where do you see the time?
You see it on clocks and you can see it on digital devices. I mean, so you can see
That's
that.
correct. We see the timing in the clock. That's correct. So
And
here, how many hands do you see in the clock?
you see two, but they sometimes click because to count the seconds.
Yes, that's correct. Basically, we have mainly two hands, and the third one is also the second hands, but we don't count that. We count only the main two hands, okay, the hour hand and the minute hand. Okay, now do you know 1 hour is equal to how many minutes?
1 hour is equal to 60 minutes.
Yes, that's correct. So here in this clock, you can see over here, the clock is also divided into 60 small divisions over here. Okay, can you see these divisions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what are these? These are your minutes. Okay. So there are total 60 divisions. Like you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you have this one as 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. And then this one is 10. Are you getting better?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in this way, we have 60 minutes. Till here, when you reach over here, you get 60 minutes. So each division is actually 1 minute. Each small division is equal to 1 minute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now over here, you can see the numbers 1 to 12 on a clock. You have 60 equal parts, 60 small divisions that we are talking about. Okay. And you can see the timing in the clock. You have two hands, minute hand and the hour hand. Minute hand is the long hand, okay? And
Okay.
short hand is the hour hand. So basically over here, this is my hour hand, the one which is pointing at 12. This is hour hand, which is the short one, okay? And this is the long one, which is minute hand. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So yes, when a clock takes complete one round, when it is starting from here and again it ends up over here, when it completes one round, it covers 60 minutes. Okay. So a clock has 60 minutes. 1 hour over here has 60 minutes. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is you have to tell the timing over here. Now here there are two ways to read the time. Okay. The first one, here you will be telling the timing in numbers. Okay. And the second one is how to read the time saying past and to. Okay. Now, if I just make, let's suppose if I just make the shorthand and the long hand over here. Let's suppose I'm taking this shorthand over here. And now the long hand over here. So what time is it?
That's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock, right? So here, how will I write the time? I will be writing it as 1,
0, 0.
1 o'clock over here. 1, 0, 0. Okay.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is 1 o'clock or 1 colon 0, 0. Right? Now, if I just move this minute hand from 12 to 1, like over here, if I just move this minute hand, let's suppose if I take this, and if
So
I just move this from 12 to 1, then what time will it be?
it will be 1:05.
Yes.
Oh, it's 5. Or can I say 5 past? 5
Yes.
minutes past 1.
So here you can see the timing would be 1:05. That means it's just moving 5 minutes after 1 o'clock, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So here first you will be saying either 1:05 as in the numbers, okay? Or another way to say is 5 minutes, it is passing 5 minutes. So 5 minutes past. What is the hour hand saying over here? What is the timing? Past what timing? Past
It's
1.
5 past 1.
1. After 1 o'clock, it is passing 5 minutes more, right? So 5 minutes past 1. So whenever you say the past, you have to go with minutes past the hour hand. The present hour, whichever time it is showing over here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, again over here, if you go with, like suppose if I just again move my minutes hand from 1 to 2, then what are you supposed to do?
1 or 10.
Yes. Not O over here. This will be directly 110 because you're
Yes.
getting 2-digit number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you will be writing 110, 110, or in the
10 minutes
Another
past.
words you would be saying 10 minutes past. Past what time?
1.
Past 1. The hour hand is showing you 1 o'clock. So 10 minutes past 1. Okay. Again, the next one, if I move over here, this will be 1:15. Next will be 1:20. Next would be 1:25. Like this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And here this would be 1:30. Now, when it is 1:15, what we will be writing over here is quarter. Quarter past 1. Now, why quarter past 1? Quarter means 15 minutes. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when a clock is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is known as quarter. That is 1/4. So, it is covering how many minutes? It covers 15 minutes. Okay? So that's why we say quarter. This part over here is completely 1/4 over here. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 1/4, which covers 15 minutes. So here, since it has covered 15 minutes till here, so that's why we say quarter past 1. 1 is the timing of our hand. Next, 20 minutes past. Again, after 20 minutes past, you will be saying 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So again over here, I would write 1. So here what we are doing, we are just moving this hand from here to here, which is 15, and then here to here, which is 20. Now if you move over here, then what time it is?
It's
25, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1:25, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 25 minutes past. Again,
One.
what's the time?
25
And
minutes past
1. 25 minutes past 1, which is 1:25. And next, the moment you come over here, which is half. Half means 30 minutes. A clock covers 60 minutes in 1 hour. And when you are already covering half of its time, it is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes past 1, which is 1:30. Okay.
Okay.
Now, half of the clock we have already covered this timing. And here we have used the word past. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So now for another half of the clock, we will be using the word to. Till now we were using past. Now we will be using to. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, 25 minutes to. That means over here what you will be writing. You will be writing to the next hour. Hour over here will be the next one. Okay. And minutes over here will be the remaining minutes. Remaining minutes which is left for the next hour. Okay. That is to be written over here. So you are not going to write 35 minutes. You will be writing the remaining minutes for the next hour. Like right now we started with 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock, what will be the hour over here? The next hour will be 2 o'clock, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you will just check it out. If I bring my hand in 7, the minute hand, if you bring your minute hand to 7, then how many minutes is left for the next hour? Like suppose if I move this hand from here to here. Now how many minutes is left for 2 o'clock? Tell me. For 2 o'clock, you have
40.
25 minutes, right? See, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If the minute hand reaches 12, that will be 2 o'clock, correct? So here what you are supposed to do? You will be saying how many minutes is left for 2 o'clock. Even this will come in between 1 and 2 because over here you can see that it is already surpassing half of the clock, right? It is already surpassing 30 minutes. So it will come closer to 2 now, the hour hand. And the minute hand will be now, this will be, you will be checking how many minutes is left. So 25 minutes is left to 2 o'clock. So I'm writing 25 minutes to 2. Okay. But yes, when you write in numbers, you have to write in the same manner. Like after 1:30, this will be 1:35. Then this will be 1:40. Then this would be 1:45. This would be 1:50. This would be 1:55. Or the next timing would be 2 or 2 o'clock. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be the next timing when you write in numbers. Now, when you write in words, you have to just write down how many minutes is left for next time, next hour, which is 2 o'clock. So 25 minutes is left. So I'm writing 25 minutes to 2. Now, if the minute hand comes from 7 to 8, okay? In this case, what you will be doing? If it comes from 7 to 8,
7.
like over here, the minute hand, which is facing at 7, I'm switching it, moving it from 7 to 8. So how many minutes is left now for 2 o'clock?
There are 25 minutes left.
20 minutes.
Okay.
You will move from 8 to 9, which is covering 5 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you will move from here to here, this will cover 5 minutes, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Here to here, another 5 minutes. Here to here, another 5 minutes. And here to here, another 5 minutes. So how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can count over here. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes for 2 o'clock. So you will write 20 minutes to 2. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, quarter to 2. Quarter again means 15 minutes is left. So only 15 minutes will be left to 2 o'clock. If you just move this minute hand from 8 to 9. Now see how many minutes are left. Only 15 minutes left. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So 15 minutes is left for
From 2.
2 o'clock. That's why I'm writing quarter to 2. Next, if I move my minute hand from 9 to 10, then there will be only 10 minutes left. So 10 minutes to 2. Then 5 minutes to 2. Like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the last one would be
There'll be
the last one would be
15.
exactly 2 o'clock. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is exactly 2 o'clock. In this way, we read the time. You have 2 ways to read them. The first way to read them is when you are just going with the numbers, and another way to read them is through the words over here. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I just ask you sometime, can you tell me the timing both ways over here?
Yes.
For the first one.
The first one is 6 o'clock.
Yes. And how do you write in another way?
6.00.
Colon. Okay. There's two dots. There are two dots. No? This is known as colon. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What's the next timing?
The next one is
This is your hour hand. This is your minute hand.
it's 3:45.
Not 3. It has not surpassed 3. If you go with 3, this should be more than 3 o'clock. But it is not even 3 o'clock.
It's
It is before 3.
okay, it's 2:45.
Yes. And what's the other way to write it?
45 minutes past 2.
Not 45 minutes. Till here, we write the word past. After that, we use the word to. So for that, you have to write down remaining minutes.
But there
How
is
many minutes will be left for next hour? Next hour will be 3 o'clock.
15 minutes left.
15 minutes. What word do we use for 15 minutes?
Quarter
Quarter to.
to
What will be the next hour?
quarter to 3.
Yes, this will be quarter to 3. Okay. Next one. How do you read this time?
I do half past.
Half past. Half past what?
Half past.
Half past. After that, what will be the time over here? What will be the hour hand?
It's half past. It's half past 6. It's half past 7.
Why 6? You have to go with hour hand. Which is the hour hand? This is your hour hand, smaller hand.
It's half past 8.
Yes. You have to go with our hand. Don't get confused. Okay. Here
Yes.
we always go with our hand. Which is the hour hand? The short one is the hour hand. So half past 8. And another way to write in numbers. How do you write this?
You write 6. Sorry. You write I write 60 minutes, 16, 45 minutes.
No. How many minutes it has taken? This is 5 minutes. This is 10 minutes.
It has taken 45
15.
minutes.
This is 20. This is 25. This is
30 minutes.
30 minutes, right? That's why you are saying half past, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it has to be 30 minutes, not 45 minutes. So now you will say 30 minutes to what timing?
30 minutes to 9.
8. That means 8:30 you will say. Okay?
Okay.
Go with the next.
The next one is half. No, not half anymore. It's 30, 25, 30. It's still it's half past. It's half past 6. It's half past 6.
Yes, half past 6. And another way to write in numbers, how do you write?
6:30.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. So
Yes.
next one.
The next one 1:15.
Yes, this is 1:15. And how do you write in another way?
15 minutes past 1.
15 minutes past 1. right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 6:30. Next one.
Next one is 5. It's 5:45.
Not 5:45. It is still not 5 o'clock. If it is 5 o'clock, then it has to be over here and here. But it is not yet 5 o'clock. It is less than 5 o'clock. This our hand is between 4 and 5. It has not passed 5. So you cannot say 5, it is passed. It is between 4 and 5. Still it is left. 15 minutes is left to 5 o'clock. So
Okay.
it will be 4:45.
Yes.
Okay. And then what would you write?
It's 1:45. It's
Quarter to what time?
1:45.
What will be the next hour?
1:45.
5. 4:45. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this way, we will be just going through the chapters, okay? And we will be discussing some questions in the class. Then I'll be going with some practice sets. We have some practice sets available in the Olympiad Success website. Okay, they will be providing you access to the reading materials and practice set once you get enrolled with the course. Okay. So here we will be solving those practice sets in the class. Few questions we will be doing in class. Few questions you have to do it as your homework. And then if you have any doubt in any of the questions, you can come up with your queries. And then I'll be discussing those questions in the class. Okay. After that, you will be given a link for the mock test of that chapter. Like we will be taking a small test to check your progress level, just to assess whether you understood this topic or not. So a small test will be taken where you will be given like around 15 to 20 questions. Okay. And you have to submit your responses, and then we will be discussing those answers also in the class. Is that
Yes.
clear? So first we will be going through the topic. We will be practicing some questions in the class. We will be doing some practice sets also. And after that, you will be given a mock test. And if you have any doubt, any queries, then you can come up with the queries also. We will be discussing those queries in the classes. Is
Yes.
that clear?
Ma'am, is the class over? Can I speak with you
Yes,
for
yes.
a few?
Yes, ma'am. You
Yeah.
can.
Do you have the syllabus for the third class?
Yes.
Complete syllabus. So it will be like, today you have taught about a time. Tomorrow or after a few weeks, you will be covering some
Yes.
other topics like measurement.
Yes, yes.
Like, okay, so I would like to go through the syllabus first, and
Mhm.
I want to check whether, since she's from Ireland, I want to cross check what the syllabus they are taking in the class and the IMO syllabus as well. And,
Yeah.
ma'am, do you know how long it will take to complete the first, I think the first term, I mean, for the third class?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Pen?
Ma'am, she is in grade 3 right now, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, and by this June, she is going to complete the grade 3.
Okay. So in grade 3, ma'am, we have total number of classes.
Okay.
We have 35 classes, ma'am.
35 classes. So within these 35 classes, you will cover the entire grade 3 syllabus.
And the syllabus that you wanted, like we have numbers system. The first one, number sense, where you will be given everything like all about the numbers. Okay. The next one, it will be like here in the number sense, it will be also including Roman numbers, everything all about numbers. Okay. The second chapter would be computation operation, where we will be dealing with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And then we will be going with the BODMAS rule. Then we will be going with the fractions after that. Then we have, after fractions, we have money.
Okay.
Then we have measurement.
Okay.
Then we have time,
Okay.
temperature,
Okay.
geometry.
Mhm.
After geometry, we have data handling.
Data. So it will be like a statistics.
Yes, completely. Like we have this data handling in the Olympiad also. So here
So International Max Olympiad and this syllabus is completely different or same?
no, they are completely same, ma'am. Completely same.
Okay. So once she has completed this 35 classes, whether she can attend the International Max
Yes,
Olympiad or
yes,
it's different?
yes, she can, ma'am, because even the Olympiad Institute, the one which you are registering for right now, they are also taking the Olympiad exam in an international level. So, like, all the students are appearing with the same syllabus and they're getting very good result also. The performance is quite good.
Okay. And my concern is that she's okay, average or good. I can say that in basic mathematical operations. My concern is that she's a bit lag in problematic questions like analytical and logical reasoning. So, do you cover that as well, ma'am?
Yeah, reasoning we have separate classes, ma'am. For grade 3, 4, we have separate classes for reasoning. In that also we cover around 10 topics.
So, reasoning means what kind of topics? Can you please give me a
Yeah,
clarity?
yeah. Logical reasoning we have.
Okay.
And the first topic over here will be coding, decoding. The second is direction.
Okay.
The third one is mirror image and water images.
Okay.
The fourth one is the alphabet test.
Okay.
Next, the fifth chapter is number test and alphanumeric test.
Okay.
Sixth one is ranking.
Okay.
Seventh one is the embedded figures and geometrical shapes.
Okay. These are all, it looks like what I can say that competitive based topics,
Yeah,
right?
every topic, ma'am. Completely like these all. We also have like the separate test exam for this Olympiad exam for the reasoning. And some of the Olympiad institutes, they conduct maths and reasoning together. So that's why we go with all these type of questions. After that, ma'am, we have the calendar, the day and dates. Next one, we have patterns. Then
Okay.
we have analogy and classifications. Then we have puzzles. And the last one is series completion.
So, as per your understanding, which way should be better for her? Whether to go with this way, measurement, time, temperature, what you are going to teach in this IMO, or better to engage in the
Ma'am,
reasoning section?
in maths, even in India also, and even in the other international countries, because we are going with the other international country syllabus also. So we have seen as far as the other syllabus also, they are going with both the reasoning part and the maths part together. So it's
So,
better that you take both the classes. Here you will have 25 classes for reasoning.
okay.
25 classes for reasoning and 35 classes for maths. So if you take both the classes side by side, like together, then you can have both the syllabus completely, like they will be completing at the same time. She will be knowing all the topics from both the reasoning and maths. So she can appear any of the Olympiad. She will
So
be
reasoning
prepared
and
for.
maths if I have to enroll her, I have to enroll for reasoning and mathematics both.
Yeah, for both the courses.
Okay.
Because if you enroll her for one course, then she will be learning either reasoning or maths. But if you
Okay.
want her to go with both the basics, then you have to enroll for both the courses.
I would like to know that without having a mathematical foundation knowledge, is that possible to go learn reasoning as well in the same time?
Yeah, no issues. She
Oh,
can.
okay, ma'am. Let me talk with your yeah, the coordinator, and I will let you know. So you would be taking both the classes, or how it
Yeah,
works?
I'm also available. Other teachers are also available. So you can just talk to the team if you want like reasoning classes also be included with me only, then you can talk to them that you want both the classes from this particular teacher like that.
Okay, ma'am. How long, if you don't mind, how long you have been with Olympia?
Ma'am, it's been more than 3 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, you're a mathematic
Maths
major.
and reasoning. Maths and reasoning. I take both the classes.
You are graduate in mathematics.
No, I have done a master's degree.
Masters in what, ma'am?
Like I have done MBA and I've also like I'm a certified gold medalist trainer in the Olympiads.
Oh, congratulations. Okay.
Mhm.
And your basic UG degree is
MBA. Undergraduate is the like I have been double graduated. One in the IT information technology and another one is in the accounts honors.
oh, great, great, ma'am. Great to hear. Thank you. Nice meeting you. I
Thank you.
will discuss with the teacher and we will arrange the class.
Sure.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So
Thank
if
you.
I would like to have the class, so when it will be possible to start? Because she is
Ma'am,
in a,
you can talk to the team like whenever she is available, you can let me know her availability. Accordingly, they'll discuss with me. So we'll just check our free availabilities. The one which will be the matching ones, we'll just go with those time slots.
yeah, ma'am, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.